In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a table in Google Docs step by step, so you can organize your information clearly and neatly. Whether you're creating a school assignment, preparing a work report, or you simply want your document to look more structured and professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Tables are incredibly useful, and once you learn this process, you'll be able to format your content with so much more control. First, open your Google Docs document and go to the main page where you want your table to appear. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Insert at the top of the screen. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on Insert, then hover over Table. You'll see a grid appear, and this grid helps you choose exactly how many rows and columns you want. This feature makes it super easy to visualize your table before adding it. Move your cursor across the grid until the number of highlighted boxes matches the table size you want. Follow the on-screen preview as it appears. It's designed to show you exactly what you're selecting, so nothing feels confusing. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you already know how many rows you'll need for your headers, how many columns you need for your data, and whether you'll be adding more later. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've inserted your table, start editing it by clicking on any cell. After that, you should be able to type inside your table without any interruptions. If you need more rows or columns, simply right-click on any cell and choose Insert Row above, Insert Row below, Insert Column left, or Insert Column right. It's also a good idea to explore customization options like Merge Cells by selecting multiple cells and right-clicking, or adjusting the background color using the paint bucket icon in the toolbar. Taking these extra steps ensures everything looks clean, organized, and easy to read. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create and customize tables in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to organize their documents. Why not make someone's day easier?